Two tools that you'll find yourself constantly using when working with a HTML kit are the preview function, which allows you to immediately look at your work, and it uses Internet Explorer as the engine for previewing, but does it within the HTML kit workspace, and also the tidy function shown here. The tidy function goes through based on your preferences that you've set and corrects the HTML markup, and as you can see, it's adding to this document everything I specify within my preferences, which is the XML declaration at the top, the doc type definition, the namespace, and also the meta elements. So we see to our right the output, or what it wants to change the document to, and to our left we have the original document. So we have the ability, instead of having it automatically change everything, to look through, and we do that within our messages space at the bottom, every correction that has been made. So we can see here it's complaining that a table at line 373, which I'll just scroll to, doesn't have the summary attribute, which we don't need to add, but it's useful for future compatibility with non-visual browsers. There we go, there's our table, and that's it verifying in this case there is no doc type, but it's reading the document and it's saying that it seems to be HTML 4.01 transitional. So that's quite a clean document. And if we want to copy the changes, we just cursor somewhere within the left field and go to the arrow at the top right of the screen, and that copies the output. And we can always close this window. If you have any problems when using the tidy function, just turn it on again. What we can do is go to where the problem has occurred, and if we find that the correction isn't working, then we change it by hand if it does something we don't want. And I have had some problems with that in cases where the A element was placed incorrectly in regards to some headings and it just removed the A element altogether, so I just moved it.